You know, I don't like wearing gloves, but when I do, it's always for a reason. Check this out. So this iPad, it's cracked. You can see the screen right there. This is how it looks, but this is not even coming off. Oh my god. Look at this. My glove stick on it. Look, all over the iPad. We're gonna get this fixed and deep clean this iPad. Look at that. Surgery time. Your iPad is ready, sir. Look at that. Now look at this. Can I get a wow? You guys like it? It's like brand new again. Of course you want to see the case, right? And look at this case now. It's clean, no more dirt. And this is the front. And final product. See, no more DNAs on the front. The iPad is like brand new again. Look at this.
Let's go. Yo, I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shoot tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back, better than last. Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna look back. Never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow,